Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you in the year 2021. I wish you a very happy new year and a wonderful year ahead. I hope you all are enjoying your winter break very well. And in this video, I'm going to share the explanation of lesson number 17, Plant World of your EVS book. This chapter is all about plants, different types of plants, parts of plants and uses of plants. So firstly, we will discuss about different types of plants. Different types of plants are divided according to their stems. What are stems? The woody part of the plant is called the stem. Okay, and different plants have different stems. Some have woody stems, some have green stems, some have weak stems, some have very strong stems. So according to their stems, they are divided into different types of plants. Firstly, we will discuss about trees. They are strong and they have woody stem, which is known as trunk also, and the examples are neem, banyan and peepal. And then is your shrubs, which are very short and very bushy plants. What is the meaning of bushy? What is the meaning of bushy? Which is very dense, झाड़ीदार जिसको हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में. The examples are hibiscus and your rose and your cotton. Then comes your herbs, which are very soft plants. They have soft stems. They have green stems but soft, delicate. So these are herbs, basically coriander, mint and spinach. Then comes your climbers. Those who need support to climb. Okay, so they need support of other plants or walls. For example, money plant and grapevine. Grapevine is grape only, so they are also very delicate. And then creepers, those who creep. रेंगना जिसको हम बोलते हैं in Hindi. And they are very, very delicate. They have big fruits, they have small fruits. They also need support, but they cannot climb. Even if they get some support, they cannot climb because they have very heavy fruits. Okay, so they just grow near the ground. And then comes your thorny plants, which are very dangerous. And they have thorns, कांटे जिनको हम बोलते हैं. They are like needle-like structures known as thorns, and these plants are having thorns to protect themselves from the grazing animals like cows and then your goats. And the examples are cactus and petal cactus and rose also. Then comes your parts of plants, children. The parts of plants have been divided into all these parts. Firstly, we will discuss all the parts, and you have this very important diagram of part of a plant also, which I have told you how to draw on the interleaf page of your EVS notebook, and you don't have to use any sketch pens. You all must mention all the parts of the plant. This is very important. And what are the different parts? First is your root part, which is very important, which is under the ground always, and this part is responsible for absorbing all the water and nutrients from the soil. So it absorbs all the water, whatever water you are giving to the soil, to the plant, it absorbs and just transfers to all the parts of the plants. Then is your stem part, which is again the main body, because it helps to stand erect on the ground. It helps to stand straight on the ground. For any plant, it is important to stand erect for the growth. So it is the main body of the plant and it gives strength. ये इसको मजबूती देते हैं एक प्लांट को, और it carries water and nutrients to different parts of the plants. Then leaf, which is the food factory, and why I have told you in the class as well, those who have attended the class, that leaf is a food factory because it prepares the food. And why it is green in color? Because it is having a green pigment called chlorophyll, and with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air, they prepare food, and this process is called a photosynthesis process, which you will learn in your higher classes. And that's why they are called the food factory, because they prepare the food. Then flower part, it is the flower part, and it is the most beautiful part, and they form fruits. Flowers form fruits. Then comes your fruit which you eat, that is the part which you eat, and the examples are mango, banana. These are the fruits of different plants and trees, and most fruits have seeds. What are seeds? Seeds are found inside the fruit, and these seeds can be sown again. Sown, दोबारा से इनको हम ज़मीन में उगा सकते हैं, इनको बीज के, that turns into a baby plant. So that process where the seed grows to a baby plant, it is known as the germination, seed germination, and this baby plant is known as the sapling. And I have told you where you keep the saplings, baby plants, that place is called nursery. Okay, so now we will discuss what are the uses of plants. Plants are used in different ways, many ways for food. These are the different parts of the plants which are eaten as a food, and which part is eaten, that we will tell you, and that example will also be discussed. Like for example, if you eat seeds, which seeds you eat, like corns, makai, wheat, गेहूं, rice, चावल, peas, मटर, ग्राम, जैसे black gram हो गए. All these are the examples of the seeds part of the plant which you eat. Then your roots, these are the different roots. Stems, these are the different stems. Stems grow under the ground, and these are the leaves part, and these are the flower part. Cauliflower or broccoli are actually the flower part of the plant which are eaten as vegetables. Then fruits we have already discussed. So all these things are different parts of the plants which are food also. Okay, then what are the other uses in medicines? These words are pronounced as cinchona and calendula. Okay, in these medicines, these are the plants which are used in medicines, different types of medicines. Beverages, hot drinks like tea and coffee as well we get from plants. Then oil, different groundnut, coconut oil. Then wood, paper that you get from bamboo, perfumes that you get from flowers like rose and jasmine, fibers जिनको हम रेशे बोलते हैं, that we get from jute, cotton, flax. Cloth is also made. Rubber is obtained from the bark. What is the meaning of bark? जिसको हम बार बार यूज़ कर रहे हैं, that is the outer skin of the plant, जिसको हम खाल भी बोलते हैं. वो अपने आप उतरती है, और उससे भी हमें बहुत सारी important चीज़ें मिलती हैं, like your gum and your paper also, so that you get from the bark part of the plant. And what is bark, children? The outer skin of the tree. Okay. देन स्पाइसेस, मसाले, ये सब अलग अलग मसाले हैं जो आपको मिलते हैं. सो बेसिकली यू गेट लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड फ्रॉम ईच पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट यू गेट many useful things. Okay, so plants are your green friends because they are very useful to you, and you must grow more plants. You should not cut them out. You should water them regularly, and you should save plants. So this whole chapter is all about plants. Firstly, you will learn about different types of plants. Then you will learn about parts of plants. You have to memorize this diagram. It is very, very important. Then you have uses of plants. Okay, so I hope you have found my video useful, and you will be able to understand all the concepts. Thank you.